In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach image to emails in Gmail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to add pictures to your messages quickly and confidently, whether you're on a work computer or your personal laptop. Let's start from your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your list of emails. To create a brand new email where you'll add your image, look for the Compose button. This is usually located in the upper left corner of the Gmail interface. Go ahead and click Compose. When you do, a new message window will appear, typically in the lower right corner of your screen. In this new message window, you'll see the fields where you can type the recipient's email address, your subject line, and the body of your email. Before we attach the image, it's a good idea to at least set up the basics of your message, who you're sending it to, and a short subject so they know what the email is about. You can also start typing your message in the main area if you'd like. You can always come back and edit it after adding the image. Now, to attach an image, move your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of this Compose window. You'll see several icons there. Look for the one that looks like a small picture or a landscape photo. This is the Insert Photo or Image icon. Click on that image icon. Once you click it, Gmail will open a new panel or pop-up with options for adding your picture. This is where you simply follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your setup, you may see choices like uploading an image from your computer, inserting photos from your Google Drive, or even adding images from your Google Photos. If you want to upload an image stored on your computer, choose the upload option. Then either drag and drop the image file into the space provided, or click the button that lets you browse your files, select the image you want, and confirm. Gmail will upload the image and insert it directly into your email. After the image appears in your message, you can click on it to adjust its size or alignment, if Gmail offers those options. Take a moment to review your email. Check the recipient, the subject, your text, and make sure the image looks the way you want. When everything is ready, click send and your email with the attached image will be on its way.